Most indoor cameras feel like a chore to set up, but this little device actually makes the process feel like a non-event. It connects to a standard 2.4 GHz network without any of that usual network dropping drama, which is a relief if you aren't exactly a tech wizard. Once it's up and running, the first thing that hits you is the clarity. That 2K resolution isn't just marketing fluff. You can actually make out faces or read a label on a package from across the room, which is exactly what you want when you're checking in on the house. The physical design is pretty unassuming, just a clean, compact build that doesn't scream for attention on a bookshelf. What's genuinely clever here is the one-touch call button. It's a simple addition, but it changes how you use the thing. Instead of fumbling through an app to start a conversation, someone at home can just press a button to ping your phone. It's a lifesaver if you're using this as a baby monitor, or just need to check in on an elderly relative who might not be great with smartphones. The motion tracking is surprisingly snappy, too. It doesn't have that jerky, delayed movement you see on cheaper models. It follows a pet or a person across the room with a smooth, fluid motion that feels surprisingly natural. You get a full 360-degree sweep, and the vertical tilt is wide enough that you aren't left with any weird blind spots near the ceiling. Now, it isn't perfect. The night vision is solid, but like most cameras in this price range, it can struggle a bit if there's a bright light source directly in the frame, causing a bit of a halo effect. Also, while the app is functional and easy to navigate, it does take a second or two to load the live feed when you're away from home on cellular data. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're in a hurry. If you're already deep into the Alexa ecosystem, the integration is seamless. Being able to pull up the feed on a smart display, just by asking, is one of those features you don't realize you need until you have it. It's a reliable, straightforward piece of hardware that does exactly what it promises without trying to overcomplicate your life. For anyone wanting a no-fuss way to keep an eye on the living room or the nursery, this is a really strong contender that hits that sweet spot between performance and simplicity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.